Um, that was first start after the regasketing of the engine. It was first start with no exhaust. I thought it's gonna be quieter. I thought it's gonna be more quiet, but obviously it's not. It has this bass sound in the exhaust, which I like, to be honest. And it didn't want to rev because I did not connect the lambda sensor because I changed it, but the one that I ordered is incorrect. I ordered it like, I don't know, a few months ago, so I cannot return it anymore. I need to get a correct one or put the old one in. If I still find it, I think I just throw it away. What do you guys think? What do you think about my exhaust sound? Turns out one gasket that I put in, I did it incorrectly. Somewhere it's leaking and I have to take the whole engine apart again, which I'm not too happy about. I'm not gonna bore you with this, so I'm not gonna record it. And I'm not gonna record for a while until I have this car finished and back on the road, so I can make like a final summary video for you guys. Hopefully you will watch it. Now, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.